Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by clarifying the single measurable goal and why it matters. Once clear, pick a no-code platform that matches your feature needs. Make sure to gather assets now, logos, 3 sample data rows, copy, and any API keys, because missing pieces slow you down. Next, create a project or workspace and connect your data store. This initial wiring gets the system ready. Then, set your first page or flow so you can iterate with real content right away. Now you build the core flows. Map the user's path from entry through the key action to confirmation and implement that flow immediately. Use components and responsive rules so the interface adapts. Make accessibility checks as you go to avoid rework. Once the UI is stable, add automation, triggers, conditional branches, and data mapping to your backend. Test each step with real sample rows. If a trigger misfires, inspect the condition logic and field mappings before changing UI elements. Complete by running end-to-end tests across 5 scenarios, including mobile, desktop, and edge case data. This validates the build. Once done, deploy to staging, collect feedback, and then publish while actively monitoring the key metrics you set earlier. If users report failures, start with one key troubleshooting step. Verify field mappings, API limits, and authentication tokens, because most breaks come from data or auth mismatches. Finally, iterate quickly, roll fixes, retest, and communicate changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.